Erigeron canadens, otherwise known as Leptilon canadens, commonly known as fleabane or horseweed. It belongs to the family Compositae, proved by Dr. Bird. It is generally a hemorrhagic remedy, especially when hemorrhages are profuse, bright red and gushing. Ailments are from rainy weather and exertion. Heading towards the characteristic symptoms of Erigeron in dysfunctional uterine bleeding, generally many medicines are indicated for uterine hemorrhage. But when uterine hemorrhage is presented with dysuria, Erigeron is indicated. Flow is profuse and bright red in color like phosphorus, with pain in left ovary and hip. Metrorrhagia presented with violent irritation of the rectum and bladder, with vesicorectal tenesmus, after miscarriage with diarrhea or dysentery after least exertion and with prolapse of uterus. Profuse bloody leukorrhea and also bloody lochia returns after least motion, comes in gushes between periods with urinary irritation, which is aggravated after a slight exertion. Also epistaxis instead of menses. This condition is known as vicarious menstruation, also present in bryonia. Indicated in conditions like hemorrhage, menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, leukorrhea, vicarious menstruation, prolapsus uteri, recurrent abortions, and in placenta previa. Dr. Murray used Erigeron in several cases of placenta previa, where the indications were profuse flow of bright red blood, pallor, weakness, and an aggravation of the flow from the slightest movement. The symptoms are aggravated lying on left side on slight exertion and motion, and ameliorated when at rest. Concomitant symptoms are uterine hemorrhage with dysuria, hemorrhage from the urinary bladder, chronic gonorrhea with burning micturition and continuous dribbling, dysentery with soreness and burning in the bladder, bleeding hemorrhoids, tympanites, and pregnant women with weak uterus. Coming to the relations, compare with Ipecacuanha, Phosphorus, Hamamillus, Arnica, Cantharis, Copaiba, and Sabina, similar to terebinthine and related to senecio and erectites.